Hey.
Yeah. So today we get to try out a new Milwaukee knockout set. We've got a greenlee hydraulic set, but the problem with our hydraulic set is that even after a couple weeks of having it, the seals already leak from people over tightening them, over pumping them. Seals already leak. They're heavy, they're awkward because you got to hold the knockout and hold the hand pump, and they're messy. So we figured we'd give this a go, see how this works out instead.
That is the Milwaukee M18 6T knockout tool, and it comes with the 1/2 inch to 4 inch knockouts, and that is part number 2677-23. And it is heavy.
It is a two-man lift.
Two-person. Not man.
Two-person.
Two-person.
Don't hurt me.
Don't hurt me.
Help me, Tom Cruise. So this one, like you said, comes with the 1/2 inch to 4 inch knockout. Comes with all the studs that you need for that, the quick release studs. Comes with your tool. Comes with one 2.0 battery and a charger. And really good glue.
Really good.
All in hard cases. So this should be our 2.5 to 4 inch knockout, I believe. Yes. We won't be using these today, but you can see them. So it came with the stud that you need for the bigger knockouts. Pretty awesome knockouts. They got your grooves and markings all the way down across the top.
Is it grooved?
Yeah, it's actually grooved. So even if the paint wears off, like our greenlee set, they got silver lines that were painted on there, and they have a little tab on there. But once the gray wore off, it was really hard to see them, really hard to line them up. So this is cool because it's not only is it red, a lot easier to see. It's got a thick, deep groove on there. So once it wears, if the paint wears out, we're still able to line these up pretty easy. So that's half the weight right there. Now for the fun stuff. Can we get it out of there? Help me, Tom Cruise.
Hey, the cameraman's not supposed to be laughing.
Shut up, cameraman. Alright, we're gonna move up to the tailgate.
Alright.
Another nice hard case. This is where all the magic's at. So we've got, looks like a 7/16 stud.
Okay.
And then we have, this is the standard threaded stud. And then this is our quick release stud, I believe. Yeah. So today we're just going to be knocking out some 2-inch holes in this panel to give it a shot. Comes with all the release, dump, reset, setup. Got our charger, dual voltage charger, and an operator's manual if you want. Let's see, did the battery come? The battery came with 1 bar. Thank God we got others somewhere.
So what's this?
That's the cup for that quick release.
So it did not come with any kind of drilling mechanism then?
No, I thought it might come with a like a speed bit or something, but it didn't. So for your quick release,
yeah,
that screws in place of the stud.
Okay.
All right, and then this goes over it, and then what you would do is once you have your stud on there, just line it up, spin that, and you're good to go.
Sweet.
So this is cool. I haven't used one of these in a while. The older one, if I'm not mistaken, once you started, it cycled all the way through.
Okay.
This one actually has a reverse, so that's cool. We'll give that a go here in a minute. So we'll have to drill out. It didn't come with a speed bit. Kind of thought that it would. That's okay though. We'll have to drill out our holes real quick, and then we'll show you how it cuts. Another bonus to this thing is that there's no spacers. Our greenlee set, depending on what knockout you're using and what size stud it is and all that, you have different, it comes with like 3 different spacers to space the cup out where you can get a full draw on it. With this guy here, all the knockouts from the 1/2 inch up to the 2 inch are the same size, so you don't even have to have any spacers in here. Another cool feature that they have in this newer kit is the quick release. So say you're doing multiple knockouts of the same size, instead of having to sit there and undo your cup on every one, you have your cup threaded in, slide it up through your knockout, put it on, put your quick lock on there, and you're ready to knock it out. You don't have to sit here and undo the cup, undo your cutter with every one. So when you're done, quick release, slide it into the next hole, you're ready to go.
Woo, we did it.
No, we didn't. Got one more.
Oh, that's really
What's that? Alright, so first we're going to knock it out. We'll just drill a 1/2 inch hole, or you can drill 7/16 for that stud. I just like going 1/2 inch, give us a little wiggle room. We're going to knock these out, and then we'll go up to our bigger stud and knock it out with 2 inch.
So this is the 1/2 inch knockout?
Yep.
Okay.
Want it close, doesn't have to be perfect, because
Right.
so we're just trying to make a bigger hole. And line up our crosshairs, easy on this. Let's give it a go. My God, if it gets any easier than that, I don't know what to do. And then you don't even have to, the release, you don't even have to run it out. It just releases it once you press the button. That's pretty cool. Wow. We're gonna do a race between this and the greenlee. I don't know if you can call it a race, but
No.
now got the release button on the back. You just press that, and then you can turn this. That part's done. I'll grab the 2 inch knockout real quick. On this one, we're gonna use our quick connect, quick change. Like I said, on this one, you just got the stud threaded on your cutter already. You can slide it up through, slide your cup on, lock that on, and you're good to go. Now this one will line up with our crosshairs. Easy. That's my fault.
What'd you do?
I didn't have the cutter threaded on enough. Damn it. I thought I did.
Wah, wah, wah.
Wah, wah, wah. That ought to do it though. There you go. Okay. Now, so I know that barely cut it. So what I want to do, I guess what we would normally do for a bunch of cuts is you would take and set this up on there. You would set this up on your cut instead of being like me. But now that we know that cut through it, we can give it a little extra. We're gonna run it up through. Cup in.
No?
Yeah. So loosen, I think it's easier. Loosen it up, spin it on, and then you can tighten your cup.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Still cool, it's still a lot faster. Okay, line up our lines, our good there. Now, for a smooth test, let's see. 2 inch, ready?
Ready. Three clicks.
3 clicks.
3 clicks. There's our 2-inch hole.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Okay.
There it is. That's it.
Everybody, please subscribe and hit that like button if you can. You know, anything counts. I'm trying to recarpet this boat.